the honor here of having Mr. Akwesi Atuman, the CEO for Ghana Tourism Industry, Ghana Tourism Authority over here. And then we have Dr.
Shatta! Shatta! Is this happening?
Give me better mic, because me, even though taking bloggers groups, that's great. Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to say thank you all for being here. I believe, most people don't really think, this will happen like this, but, thanks to coronavirus, Mr. Coronavirus, he has strived so much, that he can bring us together like this. And I just want to say, first of all, thanks to our fans. Our fans, have really been behind us, and we've been fighting, and at least God being so good, it has brought us to a level like this. Secondly, I want to thank the Ministry of Health. They've really tried, their possible best to take care of us in the country. And thirdly, I would like to thank Asaase Radio. They've been so instrumental. I think this is the best entrance I've ever gotten in Ghana anywhere I go. I know what I said, by the way, you know that just shake me, I accept. Yeah, I accept this clash, and we're just going to do it better. Thank you very much.
Yeah. And this is super exciting already. Shatta accepted the call, and of course, Stonebowy accepted the call as well. So what we're right, and let's see the action. Hey.
Wale.
That beat. It's it.
Wale.
I want to Corona catch. We do how are you, man? Yeah. Fry your face. Oh boy, you want to do like you want to fight your father. You don't remember the thing? Sometimes you see asaase radio, they be still like nobody be joking. Don't still, you look well. He will leave you. After the clash. Most of you will be at this state listing. You tell me I'll be dead man.
Nothing affects you.
I don't go do that. Assassin, if you don't tell me this, I don't go do this. I you agree already. You lie, you agree already. You know we see this clash here.
Invited ghost.
You sure I like that name, invited ghost. That be how we'll come to you, Kakai. I tell you already. Make people not talk plenty, I don't want to talk. But you see your fans, tell them say after this clash, I will do something for them. And that's it, they don't go like that, I will do for them. You know what I will do for them. They will bring them a vote to me and I will